Hi, I'm Caroline Thomas, the founder of Up Yoga Costa Blanca, as featured on A New Place in the Sun and Sunsea and Selling Houses. I'm an outdoor yoga teacher and I've become well known for selecting unique venues and creating experiences which develop a deep connection with self, with others and with the world around us. As a yoga professional, ethical marketing techniques to connect to my target audience has been indispensable. Having a page on venueretreat.com promoting my embodied yoga style, my events, my retreats and my services has meant that I can open up and introduce what I offer to an international tribe of yogis. For me, the right venue is crucial. It's the vessel which we share the journey, our retreat journey. It's one of the ways we inspire people to get out of their comfort zone and join our adventure. It's the safe space we create as we come together. It has to be the perfect place to reconnect with ourselves, to reconnect with others, and to reconnect with the stunning beauty of Mother Earth. I believe the perfect venue needs all the best quality ingredients to complement the soul of the retreat journey that you're creating. Venueretreat.com listen to your needs and your requirements, and then they find you the ideal venue for your retreat journey. And then they put you in direct contact with the venue owners at no additional cost. It's so transparent. I'm looking forward to preparing more delicious, mouth-watering retreats in breathtaking locations with venueretreat.com. And I highly recommend them, whatever your unique flavour. Namaste. Adios.